Hi, it's Dave Roper here from Screen Print World. How you doing? Today we're going to talk about the Easiway Cleaning and Reclaiming Kits. It's a great little kit, 5 items, all get together in a box, a couple of scrub pads and also the important trigger sprays. All these items work together as one, so when you buy a kit like this, you're buying the best kit available on the market for actually cleaning screens. And also, more importantly, you're going to save money. Pre-mixed as well. So all you got to do is take it straight out of the box, put it on the screen and off you go. Nice clean screen. Let's just go through this kit step by step. 842. Press wash, squeegee wash, remove your ink, plastisol inks, no problem at all. Smells really good as well. It doesn't smell too stinky. It's citrus based. Step 2. Pre-mixed stencil, 500. Put that on your screen afterwards, rub it in with a pad, both sides, blast it off, nice clean screen. And then of course it's the dreaded ghost image or the dehaze. 701, 415. Both of these are dehaze or stain removers. Pop those on your screen, don't leave them on for too long, blast them off, you should get a nice white screen or yellow screen again. And then finally, Screen Perfect. That's for degreasing. Pop that on your screen both sides, blast it off and you'll have pinhole free screens.